Hola, bienvenidos a Muñequitas Nails y bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Aquí normalmente hago cosas de uñitas, compras de uñitas, diseños de uñitas, cosas de uñitas, pero hoy es lunes y si tienen tiempo aquí, sin que le haya puesto nombre, se darán cuenta que los lunes es Makeup Monday. So today va a ser de un poco de makeup. Y ya saben también que si son antiguitos por aquí, por este canal, que este es un canal en Spanglish. A veces hablo en inglés, a veces hablo en español, a veces intento poner subtítulos para el idioma que no estoy hablando, si me doy a entender. Pero pues bienvenidos a este Spanglish video. Y bueno, en esta ocasión les traigo una comprita que hice. It's a purchase I made to BH Cosmetics. Si ustedes creen que saben de qué estoy hablando, comenten acá abajito. Mientras comentan abajo, quiero enseñarles. Este fue un regalo que recibí por Navidad y mi cumpleaños. Quise decir por mi Navidad y I can't talk today. If y'all see my vlog channel, y'all saw what I got for Christmas. This is part of it. And I also got this. Planning a collab video with this one right here with my friend Nail Design, so keep posted for that. También quiero contarles que si están suscritos a mi canal de vlogs, hay sorteitos por allá también. Si quieren ir a verlos, invito. Pero estén muy atentos a los videos porque no son sorteos así a la vista, son escondidos. Anyways, I hope I translated that down here. If not, and just in case I didn't, I'll repeat that in English. If you are not subscribed yet, I forget what, okay, so this. If you are not subscribed yet to my vlog channel, go check it out. I also do small giveaways over there. They're Cash App giveaways, so go check it out. Okay, now without any further ado, let's do this unboxing and haul from BH Cosmetics. Ay, disculpen, se viene un crunch. Está mi hijo aquí comiendo, ya saben, online school. Tienen unas tijeritas por aquí. Ya saben, online school, y pues ahorita están su lunch comiendo. Y para que ustedes no estén oyendo alegatas y gritos, los separen. Uno está en la sala y otro está aquí. So, yeah. So, let's open it up. I ordered this the first day that it came out on sale. I was up at 6 a.m. and I ordered it on the Afterpay app. I did pay Afterpay for this because I'm not rich. Y'all know I'm not rich. I'm a humble little lady right here. But I really wanted this eyeshadow. I love the swatches they did on the video. So, pues lo tuve que agarrar y lo agarré con Afterpay. Afterpay es una aplicación donde das como una cantidad de dinero a la vez cada 2 semanas y te mandan tus cosas luego. Como tipo financiado, pero solo en 4 pagos. So, viene empacadito así. Viene envueltito. It's really well packaged. Put it over there. And over there. And over there. And por fin. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So before I told you what I got in here, the lip duo was sold out at the stores. So, I mean at online. So, okay, what happened? Lo que pasó es que ordené esos y dije después agarro labial y luego voy viendo que están sold out, like completely sold out online and everything. So they were supposed to come out on February 14th at Ulta. So Ulta, as soon as they opened, I went. They still didn't have them on display, but I told her, please, can I at least have the Alondra one? I didn't go for the Elsie one because I'm kind of fair skinned and I feel like the dark lipstick on me, it wouldn't look good. I don't know, but if they renew or restock, I will get the Elsie one as well. But I got the Alondra one. So yeah, this one cost me $14. I'm sorry, me costó $14 en la tienda de Ulta. Y vienen los dos colorcitos de Elsie, de Alondra. This is from their BFF collection, and there they are. I'll put one on the bottom and one on top so you can see the colors. Let me go ahead and do that before I show you the rest. Oh, where's my mirror? I couldn't find my mirror. I had to face you this way because I couldn't put you there with the, well, anyways. Let's try this one. Does it have a name? They have different names. Creo que tienen diferente. Okay. This one's called Juicy. Esta se llama, no se alcanza a apreciar, ¿verdad? No, se llama Juicy. And I'll put this one. This is like the lip gloss. This is como el gloss. Oh, that is pretty. Está hermoso. And I didn't put too much makeup on either, you guys. I haven't been 100% in the mood, but I kind of did myself a little bit up so I could record this for you guys, because I really wanted to open that box up. So, and then this one is called Camel. Este se llama Camello. So, and yes, elephant in the room. I toned my hair after regrowth, so I got like multicolors on my hair right now. I need to get back into lip liners and stuff. I really haven't done any of that. And my lips are a little crooked. As you can see, I have like something here, and then like I have something here. I don't know if you could tell. I fell down the stairs when I was little in Mexico. I rolled down like a whole flight of steps and I busted my lips. So I don't have the most perfect lips. Okay. But I like to try and look cute. And that's the camel one. And then mixed. Well, that's pretty. I love it. They're probably not gonna see this, but congratulations. I'm always proud of a Latina that is making it out there. So okay, so the next thing I got is the BFF Alondra and Elsie Snatched palette. I honestly soy una viejita. How old am I? I think I'm 42 years old. Creo que tengo 42 años. No recuerdo, la verdad. Así de viejita estoy, aparte de mis problemas de tiroides. Pero no sé cómo se usa eso, pero pues aquí ya vamos a aprender. I don't know how to use this, but we are going to learn. You pull it out and it's like this. Look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. I love it. So it is gorgeous. I love the way it's packaged, that rose gold. I love it. So that's what it looks like, and we're gonna see this together. I'm gonna open it with you guys. Vamos a abrirlo con ustedes. And oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I love it. And it says, get snatched with your sister from another mister. Down here it says, get snatched with your sister from another mister. I really don't know how to use this. I'm guessing they're like contour and blush and stuff like that. No estoy segura exactamente cómo se va a usar. I was scared of letting it go, but they are taped together here at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut one side. Oh no, I tried to like put my nail in and I kind of ruined that one right there. Okay, I mean it didn't fall, so that's okay. And there we are. Like I said, I really don't know what this is for. I'm guessing it's for like contouring and blush and highlighter. So let's try it out. Vamos a intentarlo. Let's take out my brushes that I don't know what they're for either, but I just make up uses for them because I don't know. No sé para qué son. So let's try the contour. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm a mess. This one's all messed up. No sé qué le pasa. So let's try this one for contour, maybe. I don't know. A ver qué tal nos va. I'm not good at this stuff either, you guys, so. Okay, so there's the, like I said, I'm not good at this. I'm a newbie. I sometimes do follow tutorials. So look, it's all like so. Anyways, we're just trying it out. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm just giving it a try, okay? So that's that. And then I'm guessing the other one is for blush. This one I put on Skinny Legend, and then I'm gonna put for blush as blush, I'm gonna put on You Are My Person, which is this one right here. I love that it comes with a mirror. Okay, and it gets all dusty. And then of course the highlighter is the only one that I see as a highlighter here, which is Shane. I'm gonna put that one on as well. Okay, so now I look like a mess. So I'm just gonna get my powder brush. I'm not gonna put any on there. and I'm just gonna like blend it. Okay, so I'm not an expert, but that is your Snatch palette. I probably didn't need to use powder to like blend it in a little more. Oh, look at over here. Me messing everything up. Okay. I didn't want to put more powder on because then my face feels heavy. And I didn't even have foundation on to start with. I just had loose powder on to start with anyways. So that is what the Snatch palette looks like on my gordito face. And you guys like my crimped hair? I'm feeling the crimped hair. I think I'm going to be doing crimp for a while. And the next item is my BFF 20 color shadow palette. Oh, I'm so excited. And this is how it comes again. Packaged the same. It all matches perfectly. That is the eyeshadow palette. And is it taped? Hold on. But no. Oh my god, they are more beautiful in person. Están súper mega más hermosos en persona. Disculpen, a veces pienso que la cámara está en esa esquina y vuelto para allá, pero no, estás acá, cámara, estás acá. As y'all know, I record with my phone, so I'm sorry. Oh my god, están súper mucho más hermosos en persona. Y luego abajo dice, all eyes on you, babe. Oh my god, that is a beautiful, like down there on the bottom of the mirror it says, all eyes on you, babe. Oh my god. I love watching Alondra and Benny's love story, and I also watch Us Always. I watch, who else do I watch? I watch the Aguilars. I watch like a lot of families, and I have my own blog, family blog as well. Oh my god, está súper mega hermoso, no inventen. This one that's messy, oh my god, it is gorgeous. Pop off is beautiful, look at that. You're sick, I like it. You're sick, Salvadoreña is gorgeous, and Virgo, oh my god, they're all so pretty. So let me unstick this and I'll be right back. I only unstuck like one side of these thingies, that way I could just put it back up when I'm done. It also has a protective thing on the mirror here. I'm just gonna leave that as well. Oh my god, they are so pretty. I want to swatch them all, but where do I swatch them? Well, I'm gonna try some colors on my eyes and then I'll swatch them all, and like right now, I don't know, I don't want this video to be so long, but oh my god, they are gorgeous. No quiero que esté muy largo este video, pero oh my god, están preciosos todos estas sombras. So let me try a few colors out. I don't know, my lashes are gonna get full of. Oh, my lashes, you guys, are from the Dollar Lash Club. These are I forgot the name. Hold on. These are Ivy. I have a discount code down below. You guys want to go check it out. A ver, ¿qué me pondré? Okay, let me see what I put on. Because I don't know, you guys. They're all so pretty. My goodness. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Okay, so I put Blessed on down here. So let me see, maybe like on the top, I'm gonna put on, I don't know. I'll see right now and I'll tell you which one it is. Okay, so I ended up putting BFF up here. I live for the pinks, guys. I know I should try something new, but I'm so scared porque soy una vieja y me da miedo. So I'm gonna try and put maybe Messy in the little crease and maybe Pop Off up here, and we'll see what happens. I'm experimenting. Soy nueva en esto, no soy buena, estoy aprendiendo. No sean criticonas conmigo, porque vamos a ver pues cómo se ve eso. Okay, so that's what I did, you guys. Like I said, I'm not good at makeup, but like I ended up using the Pop Off to blend all of them. I put BFF right here, Pop Off also on top, and then there I have Messy and then Blessed. So that's what I did there. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys so you can see real quick. So this here is Scorpio. It's a real pretty, I like this one. It's like a bronzy brick color. And then Pop Off don't know if you can see that. It has a really good shimmer to it. Y luego tiene el de BFF, que es un rosita muy bonito. Mexicana, obvio, en rojo. Y luego Blessed, que también usé. My light is kind of super bright, so really pretty. Okay, and then we have Bon Appetit. Oh, that's pretty. I could have used that too. And then Wine. Oh, I scratched the top. Wine and Dine. I scratched my shadow on the top of my nose. I fell in love with this one. It's called Messy. Y luego tenemos el de OOTD. Y luego Baby E, which is Elsie's baby color. So those are also very, very pretty. Okay, and on the third aisle we have Bougie. That is very pretty. Está hermoso ese color. Tenemos Salvadoreña 24, which is la edad que ellas tienen ahorita actualmente. Y lo You're Sick, que es la frase favorita de Alondra. Can't get that one. And then Peach. Also very, very beautiful colors. And I didn't mind buying these even if I had James Charles palette, because there's colors there that are not in James Charles. They're a little more well, like the metallic ones. I don't think he has some of them. Anyways, they're a little more different. Also, I believe BH Cosmetics is vegan, so I really like that about them. Y bueno, vamos a probar la última, the last aisle right here. This is Gleam. That's pretty. It's like a gold color, like a rose gold color. No, more like a bronze gold color. And then we have Ella and Else. And then we have Latte. Creo que les gusta mucho el latte. And then we have Virgo. And then we have Malibu. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Okay, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed my BFF BH Cosmetics haul. I hope you guys liked the colors. If you haven't gotten yours, these are amazing. I think these are still in stock. These are not. Así que corran y agarren los suyos si no les han agarrado. Como les digo, Afterpay, and I'm not sponsored by any of this, you guys. I really, really love this and this. And like I said, Afterpay, awesome deal right there. So like, I'm thinking I'm gonna get my stuff that way now from now on, because you know, mom, stay-at-home mom, and DoorDasher. Anyways, yes, these are awesome. They're amazing. I love them. And I am planning on doing more makeup Mondays with you, like trying to follow tutorials like that brat one que seguí la última vez, que hice un desastre siguiéndolo, por cierto. Seguir tutoriales, porque no soy buena, por eso lo quiero hacer. Quiero seguir tutoriales para que ustedes se diviertan conmigo y aprendemos de nuestros errores juntas. So that'll be fun, and I want to do some collaborations. I'm not good at makeup. I'm reminding you, I'm not good at makeup. This is just something fun that I want to do. And that way I can learn in the process, or just have fun in the process. Así que no se les olvide ir a buscar esos, tan buenísimos. Y lo más importante es que son latinas, y hay que apoyar a las latinas en este mundo. So yeah, you guys, muchas gracias por estar aquí. Les mando muchos besos, abrazos y apapachos. God bless you, millions and millions and thousands and gajillions and billions. I'm sorry, my kid's right here. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you the next time. Nos vemos la próxima. Don't forget to go check out my vlogs. The little circle at the end, my sisters and my vlogs are going to be at the end in the last 20 seconds. You guys could click on any of those or any of the videos that are going to come out on these two bottom corners. So with all that said, de nuevo, muchas gracias por estar aquí. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. Dios me los bendiga 1008,000. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.